Welcome to Build Wealth Wise, your guide to smart and patient investing. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Have you ever wondered why some investors thrive while others struggle? An active trader frantically checking multiple screens and making quick decisions. Many believe constant trading and quick decisions lead to success. However, the truth is, a calm investor reading a book, highlighting patience and research. The stock market rewards patience. Those who take their time to understand, analyze, and invest wisely see better results. Charts depicting steady, long-term growth in stock value. Historical data shows that patient investors often outperform those who are constantly active. It's about playing the long game. Build Wealthwise logo with the website and newsletter link. Join us at Build Wealthwise to learn more about smart investing strategies. Sign up for our free newsletter today. Remember, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Be wise, be patient. Build wealth with us. Build Wealthwise, your path to smart investing. Subscribe now for more insights and start your journey to financial wisdom.